application. So utilize your team, make sure that you can work together, and try to properly work out the hypotheses, explain them well. And if you can't do it on your own, use the team. So sourcing rabbit holes to your team members also we talked about, and essentially ask for help. That's what I really, really want to stress here. Then we're moving into our final parts of this presentation, business process and logic flaws. All right, business processes. Let's take a look at the logic of the application. What is it doing? What's the purpose of this application? Can we maybe make it break from a logical or business perspective, right? Think about it not just from a technical perspective, but what does this application really do? So maybe we can produce some test cases, like maybe we can break into other tenants by, say, abusing some kind of feature, some kind of function. Maybe we can find process flow breaks if we say, maybe we need to go through step 1, step 2, step 3 to buy a product from the web application. Maybe we can put something in our cart, update the cart. Maybe we can check out, add our payment details and so on. Well, what happens if you update the cart, remove the cart, go to payment, go back to the cart, add something? Does something break? Does it work? Maybe you add things to your cart, you add one item to the cart, you go to the checkout, but then you ought to add, maybe in a race condition, 100 items to your cart at the same time you do a checkout. Does that allow you to pay for one item but receive 100 items? Such questions are important to ask ourselves and see, can we test for them? Maybe if there are files being uploaded, maybe these files can contain malware. Is there any anti-malware on the server? Will they allow you to upload, say, an ICAR file? Will you be able to upload PowerShell scripts, source code? Can you overwrite the target web server's web.config file or any, say, config file? All of a sudden, you might have an opportunity to hijack the entire server. And it's important for us to, well, take a bird's eye perspective on the application and consider such scenarios before we end our engagements.